Hello. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, traders. Okay, perfect. Now it's working very well. Hello, traders. My greetings to each one of you. Of course, the previous live streaming, this one and all of my live streaming are available in the live streaming playlist on my YouTube channel. So you can watch again the replay of the previous live streaming that ended some minutes ago. And of course, you can watch the replay of this live streaming on my live streaming playlist on my YouTube channel. Okay, I have too many comments, so I will start one by one before starting to trade. As you can see, I have closed the first one there, and here we are. Price bounced off toward EMAs and returned to continue in this last support area. Made around $300 in profits, and now will be making much further. Okay, so let me read. I have lots of comments. So John Nesterov, good. Hello, John. Shazia, hello, King. Hello, Shazia. Dave, hi. Alpay works now. Yes, it works now. Yes, hello, KOF. Hello, yes. Bambi, good morning. Good morning. We love you, brother. I love you too. Can hear you well. Okay, great. Hello, King. Hello. Hello to all of you traders. Charlie, hi, King. How do you add the volume indicator you use? From there. From there, you click on volume and you find it, or from here, volume, volumes, okay? And that's how you add volume indicator. I'm using MT4 and I advise you to use it over any other platform. It's the oldest and the best. And of course, you can use a reliable, a reputable software for trading, but I always advise to use MT4 because it's the oldest, the most popular, the best. You have everything in it. And very friendly user and very simple to use also. In trading, you have to make everything simple. Do not complicate things. So MT4 really fills the need of a trader. Shazia, yes, we can hear you, King. Yes, okay, very well. Chang, yes. Stuart, hello, hello. Hi. Joel, hi. Hello, King. Wonderful strategy from Nepal. My greetings to your country, to Nepal. Joel, nothing to say. You are a life changer. Thank you. Thank you for your kind words. You're most welcome. Are you live streaming spontaneous or have a plan? Of course, spontaneous. I'm not scheduling my live streaming. Hello, Raphael. Love you, King. Lot of respect. Thank you. Jan, hi, King. Hello. Happy to see you on live. This is Jared. Thank you so much, King. You changed my whole trading method. You're most welcome. Thank you for your great words and for this great comment. I'm still holding the euro dollar trade. Okay, perfect. Now you can close on euro dollar if you are still selling from some minutes. Could you do a video on trading DAX, please, at some point? Thanks in advance. Yes, of course, at some point I will be making such videos. So keep following the channel and I will be uploading such video. May God bless you, King. Thank you, Rex. Sierra, hello, King. Thanks for this live transmission. You're most welcome. Chang, do you always use support resistance as EMAs to consider buy-sell decision, especially for scalping method? Yes, EMAs are always used, but they are not the only support and resistance tools, of course. EMAs create between each other support and resistance areas. Okay, so pay attention. For example, in uptrend, you have support areas, mainly 3 support areas. The first one between EMA 9 and EMA 20. The second one between EMA 20 and EMA 50. The last one between EMA 50 and EMA 200. The most powerful one is the last one between EMA 50 and 200. As you can see in this uptrend, price was always rejected on the most powerful support area, bounced off from there, second time bounced off from there, also here bounced off from there, and also here bounced off from there, but continued finally. Finally the price has been able to break this most powerful support area, and the other support areas are this one and this one. Also, price is always rejected from the first, bouncing off sometimes from the second, so it depends. But EMAs are used for support and resistance, and also you will be using another support and resistance lines and areas. Hi King, keep it up, good work. Of course, it's always up. Hughes, hello. I followed both the full strategy, but still interpret the volume. Thanks for all. Okay, volume indicator or interpretations from volume, of course, it depends on each situation. So as you can see, even on my YouTube channel, I'm always in each of my video trading different situation. I'm always analyzing the volume indicator differently. So there's no general rule for the volume indicator. Of course, the big title is very well known, but to be analyzed and make a conclusion based on each situation. Hi King, much love for you. Thank you so much. We are learning a lot from your videos. Vinit, hello King, hello Vinit. Patrick, hi King, I'm using your free EMA version and I already doubled my small account. I'm gonna order the full version soon. Thank you very much. You're most welcome anytime. How do you get MA20 on volume indicator? Well, it's very well explained before, and especially in my comments, in the comments section. Okay, from there you have symbols, and below them you have the navigator window. Okay, so from there you have a tab called indicators. You have to click on this tab, open it, scroll down till you find moving average. Okay, or trend. Either you will be searching for moving average tab or trend tab. Once you find it, if you find moving average, immediately click on it, drag it toward this one. Once you drag it here, release the mouse and the window will open automatically. Choose 20 period, color red if you want to be like me, red, and also exponential, and also in apply first indicators data. And if you didn't find the moving average tab, look for the trend tab in indicators, and inside the trend tab you will find the moving average. Greetings King, greetings Luke. Love your strategy. I am still practicing. I'm not doing well with price action, but we will get there, mostly guessing right now. Grateful for your help. You're most welcome. Yes, price action have to be mastered, and actually to succeed in forex trading, the ideal is to get the complete trading skill set. That's why I've made the complete trading skill set on my website, divided on topics, so it's available with all of its topics on my website. Each topic is different from the other, and each product is a different topic of the complete trading skill set. For example, you have price action, one topic, one product, an ebook for the price action. For trading psychology, how to have the 1% mindset and trading psychology is one of the keys to succeed in Forex trading. Also, it's an ebook. Also, you have fundamental analysis as a video. You have technical analysis as a video. So everything is categorized, of course, with the full version of this EMA strategy on my website. The greatest king I have ever known in the business, John. You're most welcome, John. Thank you for your kind words. Andrea, hi king, you are the best. Andrea from Italy. You're most welcome. My greetings to Italy. Got the full version and need to go through it. Thanks, king. You're welcome. King is the best man. God bless. Thank you so much, Nick. Hello, Rafael. Okay, so I have too many comments for the moment. So let's start trading. Okay, for the GBP dollar, it was an uptrend, was not able to break this second support area between EMA 20 and EMA 50. As you can see, rejected from there and bounced off. Price, if I zoom, price tried to enter the last support area but was rejected immediately, as you can see twice, and a bounce off was expected. The price bounced off from there toward drifting upward and then retraced again. And now the price is finally breaking the last support area. Also on AUD dollar, the price also was able to break it. XEU dollar, unfortunately, it's going sideways with low volume, so it's not making big pips, large pips. So let's see for indices. Indices is doing better than before for the moment. The market is highly volatile. For the euro dollar, we are still there. Okay, so I will start by selling the GBP dollar. Okay, so I'm selling the GBP dollar for the moment. This is my first entry. Always, as I did now, you have to always search for the best opportunities in the market. US 30 also is interesting. So if I didn't place an order on GBP dollar, I would have placed it on US 30. But now I have already entered on GBP dollar, so I will be selling, I will be placing a second order. The market is moving slowly for the moment. Volume is fading below EMA 20, but that's fine. Okay, so I'm selling the GBP dollar for the moment and waiting for the price to get up much higher. So I will be placing my sell limits. You can also use sell limits to prepare if the price is going very fast, then your sell limit will be taken. Okay, so I'll continue reading, waiting for the price to get upward or directly downward. So from the upside, I'm preparing my sell limits. From the downside, I will be closing. So I'll be preparing my take profits almost there. And this is only 2 orders, so it's very small, but it's worth it. Okay, so I'll continue reading the chat. Rafael going long on USD yen. Okay. Ryan, hi King. Can you explain the reason of the last sell trade on euro dollar you made? How do you know they will retrace further than EMA 20? Ryan, your question is very advanced and the answer is in the full version of this EMA strategy. Moreover, it's more about reading the market also. Okay, so very advanced question. Abdullah, I have blown 5 accounts so far. Thanks to you, I am now profitable. You're most welcome. I'm so glad to hear that. Do you do mentorships? No, unfortunately, I do not do mentorships. No, even in the future, no. It's not for me. I do not do mentorships. Your strategy is cool. Thank you. Both the full strategy, but still learning to be consistent. Thank you for your teaching, Roger from Miami. You're most welcome, Roger. Yes, of course, practice makes perfect. Green bar volume above EMA 20 mean buy volume is high? Yes, it means volume is high, but the most important thing is volume holding above EMA 20. Pay attention. Sometimes volume, for example here, okay, thank you for your question. Sometimes like here, for example, volume is fading below EMA 20. You cannot decide only from this candle when volume crossed EMA 20 there. You cannot decide that volume is now above EMA 20. You needed to hold above EMA 20 for some period. As you can see here, volume was below EMA 20, crossed EMA 20, hold it above it. That's why price was able to make this uptrend. And then when the price started retracing, volume faded again below EMA 20. So it was a very short uptrend. Okay, I'm selling further here. As you can see, I'm selling further. Okay, I'm trying my best, but I have lots of comments, so I'm trying my best to answer all of your questions while simultaneously trading the chart. Okay, so on GBP dollar, I'm selling further. Okay, 1 minute time frame is behaving strange, respected sir. And this week, I mean not returning back to EMA 20. It's normal like any other week or trading day. So there's nothing special. If it's not returning toward EMA 20, it means in this case you should be riding the trend. So it's not about the market or anything special. That's it. Price is always reaching EMAs. Hi, King of the King. Show us the right path to reach success and richness. Thank you. You're most welcome. I'll pay. On King's website, you can find everything. Trust me, it's worth it. Thank you, I'll pay. Yes, exactly. I have made the complete trading skill set on my website as my gift for you. So the complete trading skill set, the whole topics are available. Exactly. I followed Matthew. I followed the resistance cell and made quite a bit. Thanks for that trade. You're most welcome. Congratulations for your winnings. Ryan, hello King, watching from Philippines. My greetings to Philippines. I love watching your videos since I found your channel last week. And by the way, I already purchased your full version of EMAs and kept watching over and over again. You're most welcome. My best wishes for you in your Forex trading career. Okay, huge. Why selling? This is advanced because the market is going to be drifting downward, so that's why. How often do you stream? I'm not scheduling my live streaming, so it depends. Charles, we are here hoping to improve our trading. Thanks to you. You're most welcome. PayPal payment method available. Unfortunately, PayPal payment method is not available on my website. You may use a prepaid card if that's an available option for you. I've just joined, first time hoping to profit from South Africa. You're most welcome. My greetings to Africa. Luke, you're great. Thank you, Luke. Okay, so here we are again. I am selling for the moment because the price is about to continue the downward drift starting from there. Price started drifting downward and we're going to continue this downward drift. But we need the price to get faster, so I'm preparing my selling orders very well, as you can see. Of course, when you are just starting out, you will be making much less orders. And then with more confidence, with more experience, you can place more orders. You will be able to read the market like an open book with lots of experience. It's not complicated. Forex trading is never complicated. Once you are feeling that it's complicated, then you are doing something wrong. Take it easy. It's easy. But as you know, actually, my first major was mathematics, and then I have studied finance. So in mathematics, if you remember, when in school, always the toughest problem the toughest problems, the toughest questions have the easiest answers, but unfortunately you cannot find the easy answer. Okay, so the toughest problems in mathematics have the easiest answers, always, always. And when you know the answer, you say, I was shocked how I didn't know it, how I didn't analyze it. Or so here it's the same. Okay, don't complicate it, it's easy. So here I am on profits. As you can see, price is dictating my expectations. I have sold many orders there and I'm continuing to sell even here. That's high confidence. Okay, that's how you need to be confident in your trading. I'm still selling more to be making much more. As you can see, I'm selling more to be making much more. So now a big candle moved below my orders. Price is below my orders. Price is continuing this downtrend, started from there, and we are still continuing going downward. Let's see other markets meanwhile, and then we'll be answering your questions. Okay, so the perfect one was on GBP dollar. GBP dollar is the fastest. As you can see, volume started to cross EMA 20. So hopefully volume continues holding above EMA 20. That's a perfect high volatility confirmation sign. We always need high volatility in scalping. Euro dollar is still very slow. So GBP dollar was exactly the best candidate for this entry. Okay, so I'll continue reading your questions for meanwhile. Okay. Hello KOF from Malaysia. You're most welcome. My greetings to Malaysia. May I ask what's the difference between red and green volume bar, not the candle bar? Yes, I understand your question. You mean this one, the volume bar. Okay, this is in the basics. That's why I always repeat and say that you have to master the basics first. And also, the basics are available on my website. Many traders, after many years of experience, are still not mastering the basics. So, the volume bar works in the following way. When the volume bar is higher than the preceding one, then it's green. When the volume bar is lower than the preceding one, the previous bar, so it's red. As you can see, this volume bar is higher, so green. This volume bar is higher than the preceding one, it's green. Higher, it means volume here is higher in value than this one. Okay, here volume is lower, so it's red, lower than the previous bar. Here volume is higher than the previous bar, that's why it's green. Okay, you need to master the basics, definitely. Okay, another question. Charles, what is the smallest amount I need to begin my forex trading? If you reply, will be most grateful. Yes, of course, you will receive my reply to this question, Charles. You can, of course, the ideal is to start with a 1K to be very comfortable. That's it. But you can start with $500. You can even start with $100. You can start with $200 or $300. So I will be giving you the best answer, a couple of hundreds of dollars. That's it. Okay, because of course it depends on each one how much he is able to place, and definitely the higher balance you start with, the higher your deposit, the better. Please do live trade every week, at least one day. Trying my best, really. I'm from India. You're most welcome. My greetings to India. Which time frame is best in forex trading? Okay, that's a great question. Well, in forex trading you have different sessions, as you know. So trading the full version of this EMA strategy, or mainly in general scalping, you can trade at any time and during any session of any trading day. What's important is to avoid the first hours and the last hours of any trading day, because when the market is just opening in the Asian session, the spreads are very high and the market is moving very slowly. So in this case, you will be waiting a lot to be making very small pips, and even you cannot make because of very high spreads, and you will see that it's not beautiful to trade even this time. Okay, So just avoid the first hours and the last hours of the market because of any trading day, because at this time market is very slow, and in scalping it's always recommended to trade higher time frames, to trade high volatility. Okay, so as you can see, price is trying to move downward, but now it's facing a tough support line created from there in the past. Okay, so previously the price already created this tough support line and now it's trying to break it. But also what's good is that the price is unable from the above to break above EMA9. Price is reaching EMA9 and returning very fast. And also from below, price is unable to break this tough support line. Okay, so price now is in a very tight space. As you can see, from above it's not able to break EMA9, from below it's not able to break this support, but price will be breaking this support area. Of course, that's why I'm selling this support line, and that's why I am selling. Okay, I'm receiving too many comments, so I'm trying my best to answer all of them, and hopefully I will be able to answer all of them. Hey, King of Forex, I'm still learning your strategy. I have made about $600 already today before now, so I just want to watch your trades today and learn more. I'm honored to be there live. Thank you for your great words. You're most welcome, and congratulations for your profits. $600 is a lot, especially if you are just starting out, so that's more than enough. So that's excellent. Can we see your bro? You're too good. Thank you, Max. Hey King, I'm watching you from Zimbabwe with my wife. I also your full EMA and still going through it now. Okay, perfect. You're most welcome. My best wishes. King, can you please suggest the lot size of orders for 2K account and a 5K account? Okay. Of course, when starting out, you have to be starting with micro lot, 0.01 volume, to be testing the market, testing your strategy, testing your skills. Once doing well, after some time, if you have for the 2K account, you can trade easily 0.07, 0.08 volume. So mainly, if you want an answer, 0.05 is great for 2K account. For 5K account, you can start, of course, you have to start with 0.01, okay, the micro lot. Then after some time, if you are doing well, you will be upgrading. You can, for the 5K, you can upgrade toward 0.1, the mini lot. So you will be trading 0.10, 0.11, 0.12. That's it for the 5K. Once you are doing very well from there, of course, you will be scaling up your orders in proportion to the balance that you are having or the profits that you are making.